Hello, my name is Laquela Roberts, and I will be teaching on Module 2, Chapter 2, Sets and Whole Numbers, Number Theory, and Chapter 3, Numerations and Computations. Let's get started. Question 1, Module 2 and 3. So as you see, we will have let U equals A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. A equals B, C, D, G, H. B equals DFH, and C equals DG and H. And here they go. Let's go on into our circles so you can see them good. And as you see, this set will be F, D, E, and C. So A is the B with the UC, so that comes with F, D, E, and C. B, which is A with the U upside down, and B, and that's going to give us D and E. B, C, as you see, with the upside down U, and that's going to give us D and E. A and U, the upside U, and C, so that set is going to give us B, C, D, and E. And E has the A with the line, and that's going to give us A, F, and E. F, that set with A and C, is going to give us C, D, and E. And as you see, A and U, and then in parentheses, the B, the upside U, and the C. So that's going to give us B, C, D, E, and G. Question 2 says, demonstrate which shapes are found in each set. All right, so the first one you see is L and H, and that's going to be a large hexagon. CH, that's going to be the circular shape or hexagons. TR, not triangles that are red. And D, circular or small and red. Show the Indo-Arabic equivalent of each of the following. Here we go. So as you see at the top, it gives us the different types symbols and our numbers to go, okay? So the first one, as you see, there's 3 here, there's 5, and there's 4. So how we find that is we look for that, which is 3 times 10,000, because there's 3 of those. So you go find this symbol, and it gives you that. And then you're going to add plus 5 times 10. So there's 5 of those. And then they're equal to 10 plus 4 times 1. And so our total would be 30,054. B, the same as our numeral. So we have M, C, X, V, and I. And they all represent a number, okay? So M is 2, C is 1, X is 3, V is 1, and I is 2. So let's see what that totals up to, okay? So we got 2 times 1,000 equals 2,000. 1 times 100 equals 100. 3 times 10 equals 30. 1 times 5 equals 5. And 2 times 1 equals 2. And we have a total of 2,137 for that one. C. Here we go. Here's our symbols just like the other one. So we have 1 times 1 equals 1. 4 times 10 equals 40. 40 times 1, so that's going to give us 40. So that one was a little easier. D, we have 5 times 70. 200 equals 3,600. 6 times 360 equals 2,160. 3 times 20 equals 60. 17 times 1 equals 17. So we have a total of 38,237. Question 4. Demonstrate lattice multiplications for parts A through B. So here we go. As you see, we got it gave us 0 and 2. So we had to come up with the other ones, okay? So what we have here is our numbers 28 and 32, okay? So we got our numbers here that we went to find to get what we needed to bring numbers down. So we just brought 6 down, and we got, so 8, 4, and 4, and 1, so that gave us 9. And then so 6 and 2 gave us 8, and of course nothing, so that's 0. So it gave us a total of 896. Here's our next one, and that was 273 and 628. As you can see, we got all our numbers here to equal out, and we brought our numbers down 4, 4, 0, and we have also carried, so we got a total of 1744. When you add all of those and stuff up, that's up in here, okay? So our next one is 964 and 593. You do the same thing with these as we did with the other ones, and we brought our numbers down, and then you just add these numbers up, and you carry, and you bring them down, and we have a total of 57,000, no, 5,716.52. I'm sorry, you guys. Our next one, as you see here, we have these big old numbers. We have 4,952 and 243. And it was a whole lot of work. So we was just adding to make sure that all this comes out to equal out what we got. And then we bring our numbers down and we do our carries, okay? And this is what we got here, 120,336. Question 5, A through C. Demonstrate how you got the results for your estimations and the exact answers and show the difference. A, we got 883 plus 465 over 134. So we got that equals out to 1348 divided by 134 gives us 10.5, okay? B, 5 times 254 plus 523 over 35 plus 7 gives us 1793 divided by 42, and we get 42.69. C, we got 620 times 430 divided by 293, and that gives us 266,600 divided by 293 and gives us 909.89. Question 6. Demonstrate how you perform arithmetic and basis other than 10. Well, here we go. There we go. So as you see, we have 432.5 plus 133.5, okay? So we're going to do the 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for 133, we're going to do 1, 2, 3. The 5s, we have 1, 2, 3. 25, we have 1. Okay, so what you do is we add these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we got 5. 3 and 3, we got 6. 3 plus 1, we got 5. So our total is 1121. B. All right. For 628, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's none for 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for 1, we have 8. 5, we have 1, 2. 25, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 73, we have 1, 2, 3. For 5, we have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 25 has none. So we add these up, but we had to borrow. So it left us with 1. Same with here. We had to take and left us with 4. We had to take and left us with 7 and gave us 1,211. C for 414, which is in green, for ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s, 1, 25s, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for 43, we have for the ones, we have 1, 2, 3. And then for 5s, we have 2, 3, 4. And 25 has none. So we bring down, of course, we have 1 because you were taken away. And then for 5s, we have 2. And for 25, we have 3. So our total is 321. So for D, 1, 2, 3, 25, 1, 2, 3, and 5 doesn't have any. But what you see here is what we're going to take away. So 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 has 1, 2, and then 25 has none. So when we're going to take away our numbers to equal it out to have some, it's going to be 424. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.